Hi.
Good morning, afternoon, whatever it is, dude. I don't know anymore.
That's not the right one.
Oh, yeah, wrong one. Where'd the other one go?
Well, no, I just changed the socket. Because I was going to check the 2 bolts in the back.
Okay, we'll do those in just a second. Let's just double check everything up front. Okay, so we're good. And
I'd say that's
good.
tight.
Yep, that's good. All right, that one's good. Don't ever get sick, ladies and gentlemen. It stinks. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, that's good. Let's go to the back.
I put some ass in the roof.
Since neither one of us are big enough to even have any ass. All right, good. Let's go to the other side.
What?
You weigh what, 145-ish pounds? 143 pounds? I think.
I have a fatter ass than half the girls in my school, so.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, that one's good. Let's go to the back one. Ready?
Yep.
All right, that's good. We're done.
Well done.
Okay.
Wheels are on. They're all tight. Just got to take the jack stands out and then we're done.
Yep. So everything's good and fixed on this one. Wheels just went back on. Xander just put those on. We just finished the front bushings.
Yeah, flipping
Got
them.
everything locked up. It's good. Well, that's not right. That's not right at all.
What?
The bushings popping out of the
Let me get down there.
stabilizer bar link. It's popping out.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll let them know and we'll address it. All right, on that note, ladies and gentlemen,
Later.